Alright, Texas Code, Natural Resource Code, Title Oil and Gas. 3. Subtitle D, the regulations specifically business of the occupation, Chapter 119, ownership of the carbon dioxide capture of the Clean Coal Project. Section 119.001 with the definition for the chapter Clean Coal Project with the Marine Assembly with the Section 5001 Water Code with the Commission meeting with the Railroad Commission with the Texas Acts of the 2006. Section 119.002 with the actors for the carbon dioxide with the Commission shall acquire with the title of the carbon dioxide captured by the Clean Coal Project. Right and title entry for the carbon dioxide acquired with the owner of the section property for the Commission acting on the behalf of the state that shall be administered with the control of the Commission with the name of the state. And the right title of the interested accrued under this section does not vest in any fund created by the Texas Constitution added in Acts 2006. Section 119.025 Monitoring Sequestered Carbon Dioxide Bureau of the Economical Geological University of Texas of the Austin shall monitor and measure for the verify of the permanent rest status of the secured carbon dioxide in which the Commission have acquired the right and title of the interest under Section 119.002 added as Acts 2007 and Section 119.003 transfer of the carbon dioxide transfer to the state within under Section 119.002 shall be transferred to the state without cost of the administrative legal the cost incurred with the make transfer added Acts of 2006. Section 119.004 liability the transfer of the title of the state without under Section 119.002 but it does not relieve the owner and operator of the Clean Coal Project liability of the acts or omission regarding the generation of the carbon dioxide performed by forward the carbon dioxide was captured under the data commission with the right of the title of the interest of the carbon dioxide captured Clean Coal Project under Section 119.002 with the owner and operator of the Clean Coal Project is relieved of the liability of the liability of the action of the mission regarding the carbon dioxide injection location method of meeting the performing carbon dioxide injection location method of meeting the injection comply with the terms of the license and permit of the issue of the state of the applicable state law with the regulation. Notwithstanding subsection B, with no owner operative of the contract of the Clean Coal Project is immune with the liability, person injury, death that result of the construction over the site with the drilling and operation for the injection wells added in Acts 2006, Acts 2007. Section 119.005 sales of carbon dioxide beneficial use of the Commission may sell the enhanced oil recovery over the beneficial use of the carbon dioxide that is captured for the Clean Coal Project with not injected for the permanent storage of the geological formation. Commission shall deposit any proceeds from the sale of the carbon dioxide on a section of the credit of the General Revenue Fund. Added Acts 2006, Section 119.06, 119.006, Identification. The University of Texas, if the permanent university from the Texas Board of the Criminal Justice may enter the leave of the Commission within the owner and operative of the Clean Coal Project with the use of the lands of the owned and controlled by the system and funds of the Board for over the permanent store of the carbon dioxide captured by the Clean Coal Project to provide each such release adequately identified with the system of funds of the Board of the Texas Department of Criminal Justice against liability with the personal injury, property damage incurred with the system of the funds of the Board of the Department has with the result of the escape of the migration of the carbon dioxide after it was injected into the zone of the reservoir of the section does not affect application in Chapter 101 Civil Practice of the Remedy Code of the activity carried out with a governmental unit is defined in this chapter. Act added in 2006 amended in 2007. 119.007 representation by Attorney General. In this section, the state agencies include the Department of Commission Board, Office of the other agents, the legislative, executive, judicial branch for state government, and authority system, and institute of the higher education defined in Section 61.003 of the Education Code. State agency may require the Attorney General to represent the state agency legal proceeding of the rise of any escape, mitigation of the carbon dioxide captured or sequestered connection with the Clean Coal Project. If the Attorney General declined to represent the state of the agency, the state agency may obtain the outside counsel in accordance with Section 402.02.12 of the Government Code for the purpose of the section. The Attorney General delineates to represent the agency constitute the Attorney General's approval of the outside counsel for the matter. Added Acts of 2007. Alright, that's ownership of the carbon dioxide captured by Clean Coal Project.